Welcome to Fiverr. You're one step away from offering your services to the Fiverr community. Now, before you sell on Fiverr, you need to create your user profile. It's important to showcase not only your talents, but your skills, education, certifications, and more. This will let potential buyers learn more about you and your qualifications. First, add your full name. This information will remain private. Uploading your profile picture is important. We recommend uploading a picture of yourself to add that personal touch to your profile. You can also upload an image that reflects the type of services you offer. Just make sure that your image is unique and real. Add a description. Let your buyers know about any additional expertise or anything else you would like them to know. The more personal you are, the more trust you'll earn. Here you can select the languages you speak and add your level. Add your occupation, then let your buyers know your skills. These can be skills which you gained through your previous jobs, hobbies, or even everyday life. After you start to fill out your skills, you will see recommendations to add skills based on the ones you've selected. You can add up to 15 skills. Now, if you didn't find the right skills, you are welcome to suggest one. We will view all the requests, and if we feel it's suitable, we'll approve it. Describe your educational background, as this is a great way to distinguish yourself even if your educational background doesn't directly relate to the service you are offering. Include any certifications you've achieved, such as honors, awards, and other designations which indicate your expertise or skills. This can help buyers see you as a qualified professional. Add your personal website URL. This information will remain private. In the Linked Accounts section, verify and link your accounts to add to your credibility. This will help us provide you with more business. And don't worry, this information will not be displayed publicly. Your account security is important to us. You will need to verify your email and phone number so that we can keep your account secured. When buyers arrive at your seller profile page, they'll see information you filled out prior to creating your gig. This will help them decide whether or not to purchase your services. The more information you include, the better your chances for making that first sale.